Good evening, everyone. Tonight we'll be ripping into a box of 1990 Upper Deck in search of rookie cards such as Sammy Sosa, Larry Walker, John Olerud, etc., etc., etc. So basically, that's what we'll be searching for. Nothing high dollar, but still a fun box. Takes me back to days when I was, 14 years old, ripping into packs. These were premium cards back then. So now, not necessarily, but still a fun box to get into. So as always, let's take a look at the prices from back in the day. And tonight we'll be taking a look at Beckett. Let's see here, June of 1990 with the good old two-sport bow on the cover. Classic Beckett here. We'll see what these cards were worth back in the day. Okay, as you can see the set here, $45. Wow, I don't think it's anywhere near that today, but as you can see, some hot cards in there. Greg Vaughn rookie card, Eric Anthony rookie card, look out. Nolan Ryan, $1. Ben McDonald era card, $55, going down. Yeah, it kept going down too. And John Olerud, $4. Jerome Walton first upper deck card, $1.75. Yeah, that faded quick. Ken Griffey Jr., of course, still hot today as well, $2.50. Let's see here, Bo Jackson, $1. Some era cards, Jim Gott, who cares about that nowadays. Steve Avery, first upper deck card, probably a common now. Let's see, Nolan Ryan, Todd Zeal rookie card heading down. Yep, it kept going down too. And then what else we got here? Wade Boggs, 4 times exposure card, yeah. Let's see, Jim Abbott, first upper deck card. Jamie Weston, rookie card error. I don't think his rookie card's worth 30 cents now, but that's pretty much it back in the day. Not a whole lot going on there. And today, according to the Beckett from September of this year, there's still really not a whole lot going on. As you can see, the price is down to a whopping $25. Sammy Sosa rookie card, $3. Ben McDonald error is now $5 instead of $55. So hopefully you guys didn't invest a whole lot into those. Let's see, Ken Griffey Jr., $2. Not much change there. Nolan Ryan, $6, $3. That's the one without the stripe on the lower right hand side, notating his 300th win, and the one with the 300 is only $1. So that's pretty much it. Larry Walker card, rookie card's only $1.50. Same with the Juan Gonzalez. So like I said, you're not going to get a whole lot of high dollar cards out of this set, but it's still a fun set to rip into. So let's not wait any longer, and let's jump right in there. All right, let's get started here. Get into these packs, see what we can find. I know what we're going to find, though. There's a lot of cards mismatched, going every which way, which is probably going to annoy the crap out of me. But Dave Smith, Ken Herbeck, Tom Moulton. Here we go. It's going to take forever. Nope. Gary Reedus, the stupid stickers that are really annoying. Bear with me here as I try and get everything situated. Dante Bichette, Earl Hershiser checklist. And not a whole lot in that pack. I think the most time-consuming thing with these is going to be trying to get them orientated the correct way. Oh, look, we got 4 in a row. Probably the most I'll get all night. I'm not going to sit here and mention every card as, to be honest, who cares? I only came here to see the decent ones. And so far, not one decent one. Like I said earlier, we're not going to get rich off of cards pulled from this one. But this is more of just a childhood favorite. Still nice cards. Good set, but not a whole lot of value in it when you compare it to some other boxes. Not necessarily from that year, but just some other boxes that we could be ripping into. Like some of the newer ones. I just got some Topps Chrome and Bowman in the mail today that I had to buy from those idiots online that are raiding every Target and Walmart, trying to keep the little man like myself from getting a box or two. So had to suffer and buy them at a premium. Oh, geez, here we go. Well, it could be worse. These could be packs like the Score ones from the late 80s. The Upper Deck doesn't make this easy. I'm not trying to have a 4-hour rip of a 90 Upper Deck box. Probably won't keep very many viewers that way. Oh, the Mike Schmidt car. Mike Schmidt retires. Good job, Mike Schmidt. We'll put you up here for now because that's probably one of the best cards we're going to get, unfortunately. Yes, I know. I didn't turn them sideways. Is that really going to... Here, let me do this in case somebody who has OCD starts freaking out because I didn't orientate them the correct way. Roger Clemens. At least that's a decent sign, I guess. Someone, you know, halfway good. Yes, I know he's better than halfway good, but Eric Davis would have been a hot card to pull then. Not so much now. Moving right along. Tom Glavine, it's not bad. Daryl Boston. At least we're seeing some stars, Hall of Famer types. So this is the only frustrating part with these cards is it takes you longer to sort them right than to figure out if you got anything. Kevin Tapani, rookie. Oh. Course. Ryan Sandberg. It's a nice card. Randy Johnson, second year. Those stupid holograms. Between that and the cards being every which way, you know, it annoyed you to a point where, you know, you complain about it, but you still wouldn't not buy the packs because they were leaps and bounds better than any other card that year. Larry Walker rookie card right on top. It's not a bad one. Nice Cal Ripken. Tony Fernandez, rest in peace, Tony. And that's it for that pack. Albert Bell. Oh, lost one. Oh, don't worry, it was only Juan Augusto. Didn't lose him much. Harold Baines, who should not be in the Hall of Fame. He probably paid off the Veterans Committee, like a bunch of other guys that shouldn't have made it, and there's a reason why they didn't get voted in the first place. But when you have years with no one going in, they have to have someone to show up, you know, for Cooperstown. So that good old Veterans Committee, and Canseco, you know, he always gets a spot at the table just because I PC him. So whether you like him or not, you get to look at him. He's definitely better than Harold Baines. Steroids or not. Maybe Harold Baines should have taken steroids, and he might actually have numbers worthy of the Hall. Ellis Burks, Mike Greenwell. You know, these two back in the day, you know, were going to be like the next two dynamic duo for the Red Sox. Didn't work out too well for them. Until, lo and behold, they had to use steroids too to even the playing field. Speaking of steroids, there's McGuire. Though we're not going to dwell on the past. So, Deion Sanders rookie card. I always like Deion. Yeah, not as dynamic as Bo in baseball, but still, he was still a fun player to watch. And, you know, no one can deny his talent in the NFL, so. And he's hilarious on NFL Network, too. Whether you agree with him or disagree with him, he's still entertaining. Oh, good, a nice hologram sticker, just what I wanted. Gary Sheffield, second year. Yes, I know I could go through these cards and not flip them the right way, but can't do that. Robin Ventura. Clemens checklist. Benito Santiago. Ken Caminiti. Dwight Gooden. John Smoltz checklist card. And moving right along here. I know somebody's going to look at this video and say, why is Canseco over there and Deion Sanders? I mean, honestly, is there anything else better that I pulled out of here yet? Probably not. Tim Wallach. I wish they would have left the Expos in Montreal, but hey, Washington's got a team now. And people only show up there when they win, just like pretty much everywhere else nowadays. Except for a few diehards, most teams are just fans, are just fair weather fans, front runners. Yankees are like that too. Plenty of seats available when they stink, but when they're good, all of a sudden everybody in New York now is a fan and they're diehard and they gotta be there. They don't know half the people on the roster, but they got to be there. It's not bad. Clemens, Henderson back to back. Stupid holograms. Jack Morris. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera there. There we go. Good old Bo Jackson. Sorry, Deion, you're not as good as Bo, so you can go in the back row. And Robin Yount there at the end. Well, if you look at the time it takes to open one of these to the value, it's probably really not worth it. Joe Girardi, Roger Clemens. Nice Kirby Puckett, always smiling. Oh, who did I lose? Nope. Don't worry, it's just Stan Javier with his wow, look out. And it's a good thing I dropped that on his unibrow. Someone's showing what a razor looks like. Uh-oh, here we go. Finally got a decent one. You know what? Oh, sorry, Mike Schmidt. Yes, I know you guys probably don't care too much about this, but just want everyone to see the garbage I'm pulling out of here. Speaking of garbage, this is a John Olerud rookie card. Why not Put them in the back rows. Probably nothing else better coming out of these things. Oh man, forgot how annoying this stuff was. Another Ryan Sandberg, Palmeiro, Edgar Martinez. It's not bad. Greg Swindell. Shout out to John Jabs. Bill Spires, and stupid hologram. Kirk Gibson. He killed my A's in '88. Craig Biggio. Dave Steve. We got Smoltz checklist again, and Norm Charlton. Lenny Dykstra. Lou Whitaker. Norm Charlton again. Glenn Davis. Dave Stewart. Actually smiling on that one. Usually every card he has, he's trying to look all mean. George Brett. Dwight Evans. Pete Smith. And another Greg Swindell. Nothing like ending that pack with a star. Tony Gwynn. There we go. Ruben Sierra. Steve Sachs as a Yankee just always looked odd. Billy Ripken. Wish I would have got one of those in the '89 Fleer. Hensley Mullins. Hope everyone is doing well today, whenever you guys watch this. Hope I don't kill you guys waiting. I know you get all the suspense here with these cards. Another good Ryan Sandberg. Ivan Calderon. Chris Sabo, rocking the goggles. And that's about it there. Jerome Walton, first upper deck card. Yep, Andres Galarraga. Stupid hologram, get off there. Uh-oh. We lost Jose Rijo. Willie Randolph. Wally Joyner. Cat Merker, rookie. Oh man. Nino Santiago. These cards are just rough doing a pull with these. Darryl Strawberry. Ramon Martinez. Hot back in the days. '89 upper deck card was. Griffey Jr. checklist. Ben McDonald. Andy Van Slyke. I'll check whether that's the McDonald error card later. I forget off the top of my head. The other guys ought to forgive me on that one. If I found the error, I'll note it in the comments. Dale Murphy should be in the Hall of Fame, not Harold Baines. Kirby Puckett, Howard Johnson, stupid hologram. Leo Franco, Greg Olson. And moving right along. Lito Perez, rocking the soul below like his brother Pasquale. Robin Yount. Mike Scott. Mark Lemke. And we got here Kevin Tapani, rookie. And Jack Morris. Getting to the bottom of this thing, thank God. At least hopefully we're getting to the bottom. We got another Larry Walker rookie card. We'll put him over here next to the other one. Brett Sabragan, Dave Winfield. Jay Buhner. Ricky Jordan. Eric Hansen, stupid hologram. Lance Parrish. Jerry Royce. Hopefully we get about 5 more Griffies. It'd be nice just to get something out of this box. John Smoltz, second-year card. Stupid hologram stickers. I apologize that some of these cards may not be completely on the screen there. It's me sorting them, trying to skip over ones that aren't worth your time. Oh, Randy Johnson, second year. Like if I miss anything, error card or something obvious like that, just yell at me in the comments. That's what they're there for. It's 2020, just complain. You know, tell me I suck at opening the cards, I've taken forever. Exactly, just leave a comment. No such thing as a bad comment, I guess. Well, Vince Johnson. The one thing we haven't seen so far has been Sammy Sosa rookie card. This box has been searched. Somebody knew the sequence and could tell just by the numbers in the bottom of the box how, you know, where the Sammy Sosa was. Andre Dawson, Roberto Alomar. It's not a bad pack so far. Alan Trammell. Oh. Dale Strawberry, Mitch Williams. Bobby Bonilla checklist. Dwight Gooden checklist. Nolan Ryan. It's not Nolan Ryan we're looking for, but still not bad. See if we can pull something exciting out of here. Well, exciting enough, I guess. Give me something, you know, worth pulling out of here. I need something for the thumbnail. Give me a good one. Give me a Sammy Sosa for the thumbnail. Oh, no, I said Sammy Sosa, not Joey Cora. Greg Vaughn rookie card. Would have been a hot one back in the day. John Smoltz second year. Got about, looks like 6 or 7 packs left. Thank God. Fernando Valenzuela. Man, that hologram. The Wade Boggs. 4-time exposure. It's not a bad one, though. Put him back here. Next to Mike Schmidt. Chris Sabo. There you go with the goggles. There we go. Finally. We got a Sammy Sosa rookie card. First one. Let's see. We'll just put Bo Jackson in the background. Let Sammy sit up front with the big boys. And then we got Mike Stanton with a big gouge in it somehow. Well, at least we got one Sosa so far. Oh, I have something for my thumbnail at least. Jeez. Oh wait, there's a Juan Berenguer. I can use him for the thumbnail. Will Clark. Steve Sachs, Yankees checklist. Walt Weiss. All right, moving right along here. Remember even back then, opening these packs up as a kid, even the packs felt more expensive than the plain wax that we're used to with Topps and Donruss and Fleer. And then compared to the score trash bag, as everybody calls it. Because like, oh, they're foil packs. They seem just so high end. Ron Gant. Billy Ripken. Like I said, I wish I would have got it. 89 Fleer Billy Ripken. Chris Hammond and Jay Buhner. And guys like Jay Buhner that were all or nothing, home run or strikeout back then were frowned upon because they, like 230, 240, whereas nowadays they'd be getting contracts for $25 million a year and be lauded as superstars. Funny how things change. Because nowadays it seems like you're great if you hit 45 home runs but you strike out 200 times, then it's okay. Burt Blyleven, 4-time exposure. Why they wasted a card on him. I'm sure like every kid's like, oh yeah, I want the Burt Blyleven card. Said no kid ever in 1990. Nolan Ryan maybe, Wade Boggs was a star back then. But no kid was saying, hey, I want that Burt Blyleven card, please. Hope I get it. Jim Gott, I wonder if that's the error. Not like anyone cares, it's Jim Gott. All right, moving right along. Almost done. Mark Davis. Come on, another Griffey or Sosa or halfway decent rookie card. Sean Dunston. Remember, he used to have a cannon for an arm at shortstop. Rick Honeycutt looking like he belongs on Chips with Ponch and John. Probably his favorite show growing up. Looks like the type. Although, you know, you can't really knock Ponch and John. They should bring back chips. Ponch and John now in their like 60s and 70s. Wearing the same chaps. And if you don't know who Ponch and John are, then you weren't born around the time, or a kid around the time that these cards came out, because everyone remembers watching reruns of Chips. If you didn't, your parents did. All right, we got 2 packs left. Let's see what we get here. I know it's kind of hard really to spruce this up because this set's not the most exciting one. You know, you're not gonna, there's no thrill of getting an insert card, or even like the high series has the Reggie Jackson, but you know, or the rookie card where you get it and you're like, yes, break out the one touch. You know, it's just not, you're not going to find that with this set. But they're still great cards though. They're just not worth anything, just, you know, obviously because they were mass produced like everything else around that time. That's why they call it junk wax. All right, so our last pack. Let's see what we get. Oh, Nick Asaski, it was all worth it. Mike Pagliarulo, we're starting off with a bang here. Bryn Smith, Ron Gant, Jeff Ballard, stupid hologram. Yes, I'm going to call that stupid hologram in every Upper Deck rip, because they are stupid holograms. And let's see here, Eric Davis checklist. What do we got? Ozzie Guillen checklist. And we end it with Scott Bankhead. Well, that's pretty much it. You know, we did pull a Sosa, Griffey, you know, a couple Larry Walker rookie cards. Didn't get that Nolan Ryan, either the normal or the variation with the 300th win notation on it. So I'll check and see if that Ben McDonald was the error. Probably not. It's the way it goes. But I appreciate you guys watching tonight. Just keep an eye on the channel. We post more videos soon. As you can see, obviously there's still a lot of boxes back there to rip. Get more in every day, just because I know it's better to do right now. So once again, I appreciate you guys watching. Drop some comments down there, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Let me know what I can improve on. Like I said, I appreciate all feedback, good or bad. And I'll see you guys in the next video.